Hi everyone. In this video, we're going to quickly show you how to submit your recordings for all of the challenges, both preseason and regular season, for NASEF Farmcraft 2024. To do that, we're going to head to nasef.org/farmcraft. And if we scroll down just a bit, of course, right now, if you're watching this video at the beginning, preseason challenge 1 is now live. So let's say that we've completed the challenge. We've created our Minecraft world, and we are ready to submit our video explaining it and utilizing Flip to submit it. From here, we're going to click Submit, and this is going to bring us to Flip. Now, if you're not logged in, it will prompt you to log in, and you can log in with an account or with a Google account or with a Microsoft account, whichever one is best for you, and it will bring you to this page. From here, you'll see a little bit of information about the challenge, but you can always click the word guide right here to see the challenge in better detail for all the details of the challenge. But we're going to focus just on creating our submission. From here, we can hit the record button, and this is how we're going to submit our video or our submission for each challenge. So let's go ahead and hit record, and here's where you're going to see my pretty face for the first time in this video. Hi, everybody. So from here, you have a few options if you're going to be using Flip as your screen recording tool. Over on the top, you'll see these 3 dots right here, the ellipsis, and it says More Options. If we click those 3 dots, I can choose to record screen. If I choose to record screen, I get this message right here, and I can select a screen to record. In this case, I might just choose my Minecraft education window. And click Share, and here you'll see a countdown 3, 2, 1. And it's now recording everything that's in that window. We don't see it on screen right now, but I'm going to go ahead and just wander around my farm real quick as an example. You don't see this happening, but it's happening on my other screen or wherever we have that world saved. And when I'm ready or when I'm done, I can just go ahead and hit stop recording. 3, 2, 1. And it's now recording everything that's in that window. We don't see it on screen right now, but I'm going to go ahead and just wander around my farm real quick. All right, I'll go ahead and pause that. But as you can see, it captured all of the video. It captured my audio, me talking over it, and everything else that we wanted, which is great. So this is one way that we can create this. Of course, we would just go ahead and click next if we liked it. We would include a caption. I highly recommend including the name of your team or your organization here, both preferably, and a link if you have one that you need to. You can also edit the cover photo right here so you can choose what's in the screen. If your team's got a logo and you want that to be your cover photo, you can do that right here. Let's go back a few though. Let's say you used, I'm going to go ahead and confirm this. And let's say that you used a totally separate tool to record your video, and all you want to do is upload that video to Flip. So you don't want to use Flip as a screen capture tool. You just want to upload it. Same deal. We're going to hit record. I know that doesn't seem right. And here I am again. But you'll notice right up here, there's a little upload button that says upload clip. And you would click that, choose your file, choose upload, and then finish the process the same way. And that's all there is to it. So that's how you can use Flip to submit for each of the challenges, both preseason and regular season. This video, if you're watching it, is going to stay right here on the NASEF homepage to help you anytime you need any recommendations or tips on recording Flip. And if you've got any questions, be sure to reach out to NASEF and they will be there to help you out. Thanks so much, everyone.